As an attorney, we can block a foreclosure. We can stop the foreclosure from happening in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, and it's the most powerful way to deal with that problem. Our office has stopped thousands of foreclosures and dealt with them in a positive way that's allowed our customers to keep their asset, probably the biggest asset they have. I've personally blocked thousands of foreclosures in my practice here in North Texas. Foreclosures occur when the mortgage company has given up on you. You're not able to make your payments, or you get behind on their payments. That's their ultimate weapon, is to just take the house back. The way foreclosures work, it can be in one of a couple of different ways, depending on what kind of loan you have. So if you have a home equity loan and you're behind on the home equity loan, used to be like clockwork. If you get about 3 payments behind, then they'd start the foreclosure process. If you have a home equity loan, they'll probably send you a letter saying you're a certain amount behind. You got 20 or 30 days to catch that amount up. If you don't, they're going to accelerate the balance and proceed to foreclosure. It's a 2-part process where they have to first go to state court and get a judgment allowing them to proceed with the second part, which is the non-judicial foreclosure. That starts out just as a regular state court lawsuit. You'd get served process, you'd be looking at official paperwork and maybe not knowing what to do about it if you don't do anything in the state court lawsuit. And generally there's not really anything you can do about it unless you disagree with the arrearage. But if they're accurate on that and you're behind on the payments, they'll get their judgment allowing them to proceed to foreclosure. The non-judicial part of the foreclosure in Texas occurs on the first Tuesday of each month down at the county courthouse. Creditors are required to send out notices to you 3 weeks prior to that first Tuesday. You should get official notice from the mortgage company. So it's important that you understand where your mortgage company is in this process. If you don't know where they're at and that first Tuesday goes by without you doing anything about it, you can lose your house. Once the house has been foreclosed on, you really don't have very many options. But if we know about the foreclosure, we know it's coming, we can prepare a Chapter 13 bankruptcy to block the foreclosure and set up a plan to deal with the arrearage.